Welcome to another video of the Suerte del Molino farm in the Rocha Valley of the Huelva province of the state of Andalusia in Spain. Here we wrestle with what is natural, and we would like to associate ourselves with this plan of nature. But nature is a difficult teacher. It demands that you experience and not get it with a spoon. Here we have our roses. It's the first time in a year. We planted these 12 roses exactly a year ago, that all of them have their flowers. So, quite an exciting moment. My favorite, this one. We haven't had rain for 5 months. This is our rainy season. You can see how dry it is, and in the middle of nothing, suddenly a prune tree shows up. Where does it come from? Why does it want to grow here? Anyway, I'll have to learn from nature. This apricot tree was planted 1 year ago, and we already harvested 4 or 5 apricots. I just put the net around today for the birds. Let me just dry them before you have them. Beautiful, very tasty. The seedlings, they are sprouting, quite exciting. We have some pumpkins in here, the squash, and then also some passion fruit, and also cucumbers. Beautiful. A tiny pomegranate tree, but covered with flowers. And as nature instructed it, it should lose some of the fruit because there are too many. Some form of self-pruning, self-shedding of surplus of fruit. I planted a mulberry tree, but it didn't survive this heat. And then I realized nature is doing its own thing. This is an acorn, and it's germinating. Look at the root system. Much bigger than what is above ground. And here we have some more of the acorns. I water this Paulovnia regularly, so it decided to grow by itself. Here is the acebuche, the wild olive, also coming up by itself. So I put in a lot of effort to plant certain things, they die, and nature just plants it and it grows well. I'm learning. I'm trying to grow some stevia. There are 3 more, but the oak tree above seeded its own acorns, and they are growing well. There's another one in there. I'm learning. Till next time, goodbye.